The Inventory tool. Click on the Power Tools tab. The Inventory tool consists of two components. The left hand side of the button is the Inven, which takes you to a series of plots which have trees and has saved data. The right hand side is the single tree mode, which allows you to quickly analyze a single tree to get useful data for working with your stand. Let's look at the Inven side first. The Inventory wizard consists of a list of files, or the top option allows you to put a new file in and create a new series. Let's look at an existing series. The Eucalyptus nitens clearwood series. There is an area of the stand, a log grade set that is used to classify the logs, and you should make sure that you check on how this and understand how this works by looking at the on-screen help and also the workbook in the help folder on the CD that you use to load the toolbox, and there is also information in the manual. There is a graphic that shows for each of the plots in the series the product volumes, and by hovering the cursor over the different parts it tells you the product type and its volume for the plot. There is a relative product volume plot for the series and product value graph for the series, pie chart. There is a summary of the total per hectare averages, and by clicking on the other whole forest totals tab, the per hectare averages are multiplied by the total area of the stand to give you whole forest totals. You should utilize the blue optional comments area to make notes on your stand, and like with other tools, an underline at the start of the series name means that this series is used as input data to other tools in the toolbox. From the series level, by clicking on the blue plots button, you can move from the series to the 5 different plots in this stand, and for each plot there is the same data provided, which is a height diameter curve summary. The solid circles represent trees that have been heighted. The open circles represent trees that have not been heighted, and their height is estimated from the curve using the height diameter curve estimate. There is a relative product volume and value graphic as well. Planting date and measurement date are entered to get the age of the stand. The plot area is entered. There is optional location data. There is a summary based on all the trees in the plot or on a per hectare basis, and by moving to the tree level within the plot, plot 6 in this series, these are the trees that are listed. They do not need to be in consecutive order. There is no tree 7, for example, but for each tree there is a species which is used to estimate the taper, a diameter. In this case the height has been estimated from the height diameter relationship. At least one tree must be heighted in each plot. Bark thickness is also calculated by the equation, but if you have bark thickness you can enter it, and you can weight the tree in each plot so that you do not have to re-enter if you are using average tree and you want to use a per hectare basis. See the on-screen help for more information on using this facility. We will also look at in detail entering information on trees in the single tree mode video, which you should also view. You can right click on any part of any of the tables and export the data to Excel for further analysis, and by moving back through the plot to the series level you can get a series of reports using a range of different automatic reports, or you can get individual tree data and print that out as well. When you have finished using the tool, you can close it by clicking on the cross in the top right hand corner, and you are returned to the Power Tools menu.